Thank you. Anti-vaccine protesters gathered outside of Toronto General Hospital. Here's more from Yolanda Aspiras. Yolanda.
On Monday, September 13th, anti-vaccine protesters gathered outside of Toronto General Hospital to take their stand against vaccine certificates in all 10 provinces in Canada. The group, who calls themselves Canadian Frontline Nurses, has been holding these protests across Canada to fight for the informed consent and medical freedoms and against tyrannical measures in government overreach. On Monday, coordinated protests were held across Canada. Here in Toronto, protests were held outside Toronto General Hospital. Premier Doug Ford called this protest selfish, cowardly, and reckless. NDP leader Andrea Horvat said that if people want to protest, that they should come to Queen's Park instead. Toronto City Mayor Jim Tory said that hospital workers deserve our collective thanks, and that people who go to hospitals because they need medical help don't deserve to be harassed or intimidated by protests. The University Health Network expressed their disappointment over the planned protest. Here is their statement. Teams at UHN have worked tirelessly throughout the pandemic, often putting their own well-being aside to protect those most at risk in our community. They have fought to keep the community safe and deserve that same right to safety when coming to work. Demonstrations outside of hospitals not only put healthcare workers and staff at risk, but also patients who come to the hospital for care. In Toronto, Yolanda Aspiras, Eagle News. We live in interesting times.